Okay, this is a short tutorial on how to use markup, okay, in your iPad so that you can annotate, okay? Because the problem with some of you who submit your work written on notebook, first, it's very untidy. Second, you try to squeeze in the whole assessment or the whole assignment into one page that you lack space to show your work, okay? Third, some of you take a picture in a dark area. It's very hard to look at your work, or the orientation is like this. Okay, when you submit work, you have to think about the person marking. So please make sure that when you take a picture, it's right side up. Okay, or you take a very close up of your picture of your work, and it's very pixelated. It's very hard to look at. Okay, so how to use markup? Just, when you go to Google Classroom, open the file and you can take a screenshot. Okay, so how do you take a screenshot? Use the power button and the volume button, press it at the same time, and there is your screenshot. Okay, now this will show up in your, okay, let me show you again, in your gallery. So click on the gallery and there is your screenshot. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to go to edit. Okay, just click on edit. Okay, now there is a glitch with the iPad. Okay, sometimes it won't save your markup. So what you need to do is you need to just, okay, click on the crop, okay, and just crop it a little. All you need to do is to crop a little, okay? And then click on the three dots over here. And then markup will come out. You don't need to download this. It's already included, okay? So when markup comes out, you will see that circle, and that is the pen tool. So when you click on it, okay, it expands and shows you different tools that you can use, okay? But for now, we're using the pen tool, okay? If you want to close it, just swipe it up, okay, and it will close. Then you can solve it, okay? So let's do the old man. There you go, old man, just to remind you. So this is x squared minus 4, 2x minus 2x. So this becomes 0. So the final answer is x squared minus 4. Okay, then write your name. Okay, and then afterwards, what do? Just click on done. Okay, and then click on done again. Okay, and then it will show up in your camera roll. Okay, so there it is, the edited. Now, how are you going to send this to me? So for example, you want to send me like several files, okay? All you need to do is to click on, okay, select. And then you can just select whatever file you want to email to me. Okay, and then click on this square box with the arrow going up. And there you go. These are the two files you want to send to me. Okay, two files, it's ticked, and then choose Gmail. Okay, and then you can send it to me and the two files are attached. It's that easy. So please, from now on, okay, just use markup to submit your work, okay? So that it's neater, you have enough space, and you don't have to worry about whether there's good lighting in your area or not, okay? Bye-bye.